Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Today will be Prada's Luna Rossa. And this is what the card looks like. The sample card with the bottle picture. Inside it says, a masculine fragrance without compromise. Prada Luna Rossa is a modern interpretation of bitter freshness, an aromatic heart of lavender and clary sage, nuanced by a sensual ambroxan signature. So, this fragrance was released in 2012. It's classified as a citrus aromatic. The notes in the top we have lavender absolute and bitter orange. Middle notes of clary sage and spearmint. And in the base, ambrette absolute and ambroxan molecule. 3.5 out of 5 stars at base notes. So with this one, once again, we have another fragrance from Prada, and it doesn't really steer too far away from the formula of the other Pradas that I've tried, Amber and Infusion Dome. You'll notice that there's no iris, but it does have lavender. So it still has a very similar soapy freshness to it, and also the bitter orange, which is pretty much the same kind of citrus that they used in the other Pradas as well. So for me, not too different from the other Pradas. I noticed in the base there is the ambroxan molecule, which mimics sort of a muskiness. So it does try to become more of a standard cologne smell than the other ones, but that's very subtle, and I didn't really pick up too much on that either. So I would say that if you've had experience with the other Pradas, you might find this one a bit redundant. Now, if you don't have a Prada, this one's certainly a solid one to check out, and could actually be bottle worthy. But if you already own another Prada, especially Infusion Dome, this one to me is surprisingly similar to that one, even though it doesn't have iris in it. So let me get into some scores here. The smell, I'll say 7 out of 10. It's a very pleasant smell. I didn't get any compliments on it. And for some reason, because it's sort of that soapy floral, it just has a nice smell to it. It's not like, wow, nice. It's just kind of, nice, you know? So, yeah, 7 out of 10. Projection longevity, I will say 7 out of 10 for that. 3 to 5 hours or so, perhaps. I know it's pretty solid there. Versatility, 6 out of 10. This could be a signature scent if you're looking for that soapy feel. Although, if you're looking for compliments or something a bit more masculine, you might want to start wearing some other fragrances. Uniqueness, 6 out of 10, because even though this one does appear to be different, when it's all said and done, it's pretty much the same song and dance, different dress kind of a thing there. Price point, 100 mLs, about $63. So 7 out of 10 there, because I do see other bottles on eBay for a more reasonable price, like the smaller bottles, probably maybe 30 or 40. So you could probably get a deal on this one, even though it's a new release, if you go to eBay, assuming, of course, that they're authentic bottles, which I can't validate. But overall, 6.5 out of 10. A nice smell. I would say that if you've never smelled a Prada before, you might actually be tempted to give this one a 7.5 out of 10. If you smelled other Pradas, you'll probably be like me and think, well, it's pretty much the same scent, a different package. So just okay, a bit of a disappointment. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.